Here is what happens to your body if you walk 30 minutes every day. What if I told you that something as simple as walking for just 30 minutes a day could transform your health, sharpen your mind, and even extend your life? That's right. I mean, no expensive gym memberships, no intense workout routines. Just your own 2 feet. Incredible, isn't it? And so, today, we are breaking down exactly what happens to your body if you walk for 30 minutes every day. And trust me, the benefits will really surprise you. Let's dive in. First, improved heart health. Yes, first up, your heart. Bear in mind that walking for just half an hour daily helps lower blood pressure, improves circulation, and strengthen your heart muscle. And studies show that it can reduce your risk of heart disease by up to 30%. So, come to think about it, you're literally protecting yourself from the world's #1 killer while simply taking a stroll. Second, boosted brain function. Keep in mind that walking isn't just good for your body. It's also fuel for your brain. Yes, regular walking improves memory, sharpens focus, and even lowers the risk of Alzheimer's disease. This is what happens when you move. Blood flow increases to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients that keep you sharp and creative. And probably that's why many top thinkers and CEOs take walking meetings. Third, weight management and fat loss. Do you want to lose weight without dieting extremes? Well, studies have shown that walking 30 minutes burns around 150 calories. So, do that every day, and over a year, you have burned more than 54,000 calories, which is enough to shed almost 8 pounds without even stepping into a gym. Combine it with healthy eating, and the results multiply. Fourth, stronger muscles and bones. Research has found that walking strengthens your leg muscles, tones your core, and supports bone density. It is especially important as we age, because walking helps fight osteoporosis and keeps joints lubricated. Furthermore, unlike high-impact workouts, walking is gentle. So, your body gets stronger without extra stress. Fifth, better digestion and metabolism. Yes, after meals, taking a walk aids digestion and stabilizes blood sugar. And that's why doctors often recommend short walks after eating, as your metabolism runs smoother and your risk of type 2 diabetes decreases. What's more, your body becomes more efficient at burning fat for energy. Sixth, mood and mental health boost. Yes, here is something powerful. Walking can make you happier. In particular, it releases endorphins, lowers stress hormones, and reduces anxiety and depression. And so, even a quick walk outside can instantly shift your mood. Yes, sunshine, fresh air, and movement together are a natural antidepressant. And seventh, longer life and quality of life. Yes, walking 30 minutes daily has been linked to living longer, and sometimes by up to 7 years. But it's not just about years. It's also about quality, which entails more energy, better sleep, stronger immunity, and a body that feels younger than your age. So, what happens to your body when you walk for 30 minutes every day? Well, a number of health benefits. Some of them: your heart gets stronger, your brain sharper, your mood lighter, and your life longer. And all it takes is putting one foot in front of the other. So, why wait? Take that first step today, and your future self will thank you. As such, always walk your way to better health. And thank you for watching.